Hello students, today we will start the next point, second point in the chapter, section formulas. There are two types of section formulas. First is internally division formula. Theorem number 5 statement is let A bracket मध्ये small a bar and B bar be any two point in a space and capital R in bracket small r be the point on the line segment AB bar, dividing internally in the ratio m as n. Then show that r bar is equal to mb bar plus n a bar plus m plus n, where r bar, a bar, b bar, c bar, small r bar, a bar, b bar, c, b bar are the position vector of capital R, A, B with respect to O. We draw a figure, the line segment AB. These 3 points are collinear because point R lies on the line segment AB. And this point R divide AB internally. That means R lies between A and B. Divide in the ratio AB as M, RB as N. Let O is the any fixed point or origin. Join OA bar, join OR and OB. Then OA bar is equal to small a bar. That is the position vector of A. OB bar is equal to small b bar and OR is equal to small r bar. These are the position vector. Here R is the point on the line segment AB. R lies between A and B, and AR and RB are in the same direction. Direction is same, AR, RB. Then the ratio AR as RB is equal to M as N. Ratio is M as N. That means length of AR divided by length of RB is equal to M by N. Here the direction of these two vectors are same, therefore take the ratio is positive. Otherwise this ratio is negative. Your direction are same. Now in vector form, AR divided by RB vector is equal to M by N. Then N bracket AR bar is equal to M bracket RB bar. Now this AR can be written in position form. AR is by using law of triangles N into R bar minus small a bar is equal to M RB bar. We write the position vector of segment AB, the position vector of end point, that is B bar, minus position vector of initial point, B bar minus A bar. That is N R bar minus N A bar is equal to M B bar minus here B R bar, not A bar, M R bar. Now these two terms are right in left hand side, that is R bar bracket M plus N is equal to M B bar plus N A bar divided by, first write only right hand side, that is these two terms are in one side, these two terms are left side. Then we want to R bar is equal to M B bar plus N A bar divided by M plus N, which is called as the internally division formula. Here M and N are the ratio, A bar and B bar are the position vector of capital A and B. R is the point. This point R divides segment AB internally in the ratio M as N. by using this concept, we find the midpoint formula. Now suppose R is midpoint of AB. A, B, here R, 1, 1, same. Or we take M as M because this distance is same. Then by using this formula, R bar is equal to MB bar plus NA bar divided by M plus N. But R is the midpoint, therefore M is equal to N, that is MB bar plus MA bar divided by M plus M, that is M bracket B bar plus A bar divided by M twice M cancel, therefore R bar is equal to B bar plus A bar divided by 2. Now we get the R bar is equal to B bar plus, which is called as the midpoint formula. If R is the midpoint of a line segment AB with position vector A and B are A bar B bar, then take its sum divided by 2, which is called as the midpoint formula. Now next theorem is, let A and B are any two points in a space whose position vector are small a bar and B bar. Capital R be the third points on the line segment AB dividing segment AB externally. This point is externally division formula. In the ratio M as N, then show that R bar is equal to MB bar minus NA bar divided by M minus N. Only change the sign, middle term is the negative. Now here A, B, the point R does not, there are two possibilities. First is A, B, R. That means B lies between A and R. Second, R, A, B, A lies between R and B. We assume that first possibility A, B, R. First take A, then B and R. That R divide AB externally. Then AR divided by AR divided by RB. The direction of vector is in this way. AR divided by RB. AR is in this way, opposite direction. AR divided by RB is equal to AR divided by, not take here RB, we take BR. That means if we take BR, then its ratio is positive. If we take in place of BR RB, then take its ratio is negative. But by calculation to easily, we take AR, that is AR, divided by BR. BR is N. AR, that means the vector AR divided by vector BR is equal to M by N. The direction of these two vectors both are same, BR. If we take RB, then take here minus sign. But in our text, take BR, therefore here I take BR. Otherwise, AR, RB, then we take the negative sign minus M by N because direction is opposite. Now again N into AR bar is equal to M bracket BR bar, N bracket R bar minus A bar is equal to M bracket R bar minus here R bar is the end point, B bar is first point, that is B bar. N R bar minus N A bar is equal to M R bar minus M B bar. Now we take this negative in left hand side, M B bar minus N A bar is equal to M R bar. Now these two terms take in right hand side, minus N R bar, take R bar common, M minus N. Therefore R bar bracket M minus N is equal to M B bar minus N A bar. Then R bar is equal to M B bar minus N A bar divided by M minus N, which is the position vector of R, that is R divide externally. तर इथं थोडी जम्बलिंग वाटते तुम्हाला. जर तुम्हाला या पद्धतीने घ्यायचं असेल ए आर डिवायडेड बाय आर बी बार इज इक्वल टू मायनस एम बाय एन, तरी देखील आपल्याला हेच उत्तर मिळणार आहे. लक्षात आलं, डायरेक्शन अपोजिट आहे, देअरफॉर वी टेक द निगेटिव्ह साइन. नाउ नेक्स्ट, centroid of triangle ABC. The centroid of triangle means the intersection point of the median of the triangles. Now here ABC is the triangle having small a bar, b bar, c bar are the position vector of triangle ABC. G is the centroid, its position vector is small g. Now the G divide AD internally in the ratio 2:1. Therefore D bar is equal to, G bar is equal to twice D bar plus 1 A bar divided by 2 plus 1. But D is the midpoint of B and C. That means D bar is equal to B bar plus C bar divided by 2. I substitute this value, that is G bar is equal to twice D bar is B bar plus C bar divided by 2 plus A bar whole divided by 2 plus 1. 2 cancel. B bar plus C bar plus A bar divided by 3. G bar is the centroid of triangles if A bar, B bar, C bar are the position vector of vertices of the triangle ABC. Then the position vector of center of triangle is, take its sum divided by 3. Same way, if G is the centroid of tetrahedron, now this figure is in 3 dimensional, we cannot explain easily in 2 dimensional. Then we get G bar is equal to, take its sum, that is D bar, A bar, B bar, C bar. These are 4 points. Prepare in corner of the tetrahedron. Then the centroid of tetrahedron is A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar divided by 4. Here also we apply the internally division formula, 3 as 1, 2 as 1. Okay, in this period we complete the second point, that is internally and externally division formula. Next period we solve some example. Thank you.